How to set video softening to off, medium or high in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. And then from here, tap on the control button. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on camera assistant. From here, we then scroll down and then tap on video softening. Tap on it and then choose off, medium or high. So select one of the options for video softening, and then we tap on the back key. Here, if you want to turn it off, select off. And tap on the back key to return back to your camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.